Our second speaker for this evening, the intuitive storyteller behind Soul Chat. He will share how intuition, self awareness, and inner clarity can guide creators to build real wealth without burning out or forcing what's not meant for them. Through his grounded approach to tarot, mindfulness, and storytelling, he helps others find calm, clarity, and the courage to take aligned action. Beyond his creative work, he is a system integration lead in a freight forwarding company, a husband to a visual and mixed media artist, and a father of two beautiful girls. A living example that flow and structure can coexist, that living in alignment can turn ordinary moments into meaningful ones. O yan, wag na nating patagalin pa. Tinatawagan natin, let's all welcome Chard Gonzalez.
Guys, unmute tayo. Let's
Go,
go.
go, go, Chard!
Yes,
Woo!
hello.
Go,
Patagal.
Chai!
Go, Char!
So,
Galing
paano
niya
ba
siya
'to?
sa sulok.
Nasasulok ako,
Palitan
eh.
mo yung itagil mo yung background.
Tanggalin ko yung background dito, ano?
Ah,
Sige. First time, first time.
hey!
Yan.
Yun.
Okay. So, yan. Malinaw ba?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Good ba tayo sa ating, vocals?
Yes, sir.
Perfect.
Okay. So, disclaimer lang. Isa lang yung screen ko dito. So, hindi ko kaya mag-multi-screen function. So, just in case, hindi ko kayo mabasa. Just in case kung kayo yung nagko-comment, hindi ko kayo mababasa ng mabilisan. Yeah. So, siguro lagyan natin ng music para naman tingnan natin kung medyo malakas, sabihan nyo ako para at least mas gusto ko kasi laging may background sa tabi. So,
Hi.
swabe lang ba?
Baba natin ang tape.
Malakas?
Medj. Kaunti pa.
Yan.
Kaunti pa. Yan.
Yan, okay?
Parang ano lang siya. Yan, nasa
Mas-
background lang.
Background lang.
Mm.
Okay. So, let's see. Paano ba to? Showcase. Yan. Okay, game. So, can see my screen na. Uy, parang meeting ah.
Tara, usap tayo. Let's go.
Yes, ayan. Tara, usap tayo. Yan. 3 simple words. Yan. Yan ang naging tibok ng ng mga reels ko. Para siyang small invitation to pause. Yun, parang to stop scrolling for just a moment and listen. So at first, hindi siya nag-work. Yung numbers niya talagang tahimik, wala. As in, a few likes, mostly from friends and loved ones. But strangers, totally wala. Hindi siya ganun ka-effective. Parang suntok sa buwan talaga kung hahanapin ko siya. And yet, I kept on saying it. Kahit yung iba parang nakikringe. Tara, usap tayo. Pero, I keep on saying it because tara, usap tayo wasn't just my hook. Actually, it's my intention. Okay. To create a small space ng stillness dun sa maingay nating mundo. So for tonight, I'm asking you the same thing. Please lend me a bit of your time. Alam kong medyo late na. But yeah, as I try to hold your attention for a while, because what I'll share tonight comes from the same space of reflection about my passion, about creating in alignment, and about discovering another way to see wealth. Not as an ending, but something that flows naturally. So, yun. Tara, usap tayo. Okay, type G kung ready.
G.
Gina. Okay. So, ito daw ang aking title. From Flow to Wealth, Creating Without Losing Yourself. Yan. So, may question ako, yan. What if wealth isn't something you chase, but something you align within? Nakasanayan na natin ang maghabol. Anong next target? The next opportunity? The next version of success? And sa paghahabol natin, minsan we forget why we even started to chase. When everything you do comes from chasing, bumibilis ka. At lumalayo. Pero saan nga ba lumalayo? Bumibilis ka, palayo from yourself. Palayo from the joy that first made you create. But when you shift from chasing to aligning, something quiet begins to happen. You stop asking, how do I get there? Yan. Tulad ng, paano ba maging sikat? Mga project offers. Mapansin kaya ako ng 1 million view o makakuha ka sana ako ng 1 million views. Yun. And now, you can start asking, am I in tune with what's here? Like, eto ako, gusto ko itong ginagawa ko. Yung nare-release mo yung gigil mo. So that's when alignment comes in. So when you choose alignment feels slower. Oo, totoo naman yun. But it can lead you to a steadier and sustainable self. It's when your outer action finally match your inner truth. So, kanina, sabi ko nga, it's not something na hindi ko inalam ko ano yung topic or yung i-discuss ni Ree. But now I realize we're connected eh. It's really within eh. Diba? So, when your message and your energy move in the same rhythm, and from that space, effort begins to feel like peace. Yeah, you're not forcing success. You're flowing with it. Because wealth, real wealth, isn't found sa finish line. Nararamdaman siya. When who you are and what you do finally stop fighting with each other. So yung kay Joven kanina, yun nga, paano? Kung gusto ko muna ito, parang pwede itong sumabay. Pwede akong sumabay dito eh. Pero tatanungin mo rin sarili mo later on eh, ikaw ba talaga yun? And you will feel a bit of hold up din eh. So, yeah, so that's when the flow begins. And from that flow, everything else follows talaga. So, yun. Okay ba? Okay ba naman kayo dyan? Type.
Yep.
Type ng mga emoticons.
Sabi ni
Okay.
Louie, nasa soul chat talaga ako.
Yes, soul chat. Yan ang ating ano. The way I see, kung kayo makatulog dyan, I'll be in your dreams while talking. So, yeah. Next. Okay. I'm not sure if kilala nyo siya. May nakakilala ba sa kanya? Type 1, kung nakakilala nyo siya. Yes, it's Sadhguru. Thank you. Okay. I've been following Sadhguru since 2018. After a while of listening sa mga talks niya, I was convinced na attending one of his program, which is Inner Engineering, will help me overcome what I'm going through back then na hindi ko maintindihan. Kasi okay naman ako, relationship, financial, career. Pero there's this space in me na kahit anong meron ako, parang dapat laging lagyan. Siguro kasi laging merong may mas sa akin. Nako-compare ko siya. And being, yung age ko, comparing to some of my peers, kung ano na yung meron sila, para ako wala. Yan. Kaya gusto kong i-share this quote na sinabi ni Sadhguru, which is, when you live in absolute responsibility, you will live in grace. Okay? That way of looking responsibility is to split them into two. Kasi akala natin responsibility is kailangan gawin mo, di ba? So, isa sa pinaka main core ng teachings not teaching, but part ng isang principle ng inner engineering is to understand responsibility as response plus ability. It's the ability to respond within ourselves. Dapat daw meron tayong ability to respond, to take action. Which means na you alone need to take ownership sa nangyayari sa'yo. Which you control. Of course, yung outside, lahat ng environment dyan, hindi natin yung hawak eh. Hawak natin yung sarili natin. And stop blaming. Parang i-stop mo yung blaming game na nasanay na tayo na, kasi ganito wala akong gamit. Kasi maingay. Kasi may gagawin ako mamaya eh. And comes to that is grace. Okay? So you will live in grace daw. Pag ito na-understand mo yung response and ability. Kasi with grace, ito yung state of being where life flows effortlessly. Yan, tama pa yung effortlessly. Yan. And joyfully. Parang ending na once ma-achieve mo yung understanding that you are responsible for everything, kalma na sa lahat ng tingin mo sa labas. Yun. So, goods ba tayo sa responsibility? May ibang, yan yung kanyang parang splitting of the word. And nung narinig ko siya, parang, so, ability to respond. Kasi nga, kung responsibility, normally, ang ginagawa natin, it's an action from our side. Responsibilidad mo yan. Para tayong inuutusan sa responsibility na word. Pero actually, tayo pala yung dapat makaintindi ng mas malalim na, it's us. How you will respond to a certain thing. Okay? So now comes Project OP. And this is my part of talk na for sure for some of you na kilala ako dito who are my classmates sa OP6, alam niyo yung content ko. So baka in-expect nyo is maglalabas ako magsha-shuffle ako dito or ano. But I might be disappointing you because I will not be showing my cards, but I'll be sharing something na, it can relate to that, but it's not really magic. Okay, so I always invest in myself kasi to learn new things and how to be better, especially sa content arena. Madami-dami din akong sinalihan na mga programs and workshops. Okay naman yung mga yun, wala namang tapon, and ang problema is ako yung hindi nagiging consistent. Lalo na paghinaan na dahil nakakapagod mentally and physically. So alam nyo naman yung mga one-man show dito na mga content creator, from A to Z, from ideation, from shooting, scripting, everything, editing, posting. So parang from there, okay, so fast forward to 2025. Nasa 5th year na ako ngayon ng trying to be visible sa social media. Yan. So, Project OP, ito yung something na masasabi ko na I commit myself sa isang challenge na hindi ko in-expect na will open me further sa content creation. And I'm very, very thankful na the intuition word is tinulak ako dito. Last year nakita ko ng passion community and I've been a lurker. Alam naman nila Louie yan. I've been a lurker for almost a year. I tried doing it alone. But it lasted maybe 2-3 months of me just posting, but there's walang concrete plan Yeah, meron sigurong approach pero hindi siya ganun ka consistent. I put aside and bigla na lang may gagawin ako, naging busy na at the same bigla na lang, ayoko na. Oh, sige, stop na muna. Kasi wala nag-ano eh, walang accountability. Tapos yung you're chasing for the views, you're chasing for validation. May nakikinig ba sa ginagawa ko? Pinaghirapan ko to eh. Parang 2-3 days ko itong shoot tapos parang nandun ako nakalak sa 100 views. Parang may sense ba nga? May sense ba talaga to? I'm trying to share good things but parang bakit itong si Meta hindi ako pinapansin? Ba't hindi tinutulak to? Ano bang meron? Ano bang secret? Bakit itong mga to na ano lang, parang yun, ang hirap intindihin. But joining OP, so yun nga, may promise kasi si OP. Okay? May promise si OP. Siya daw is a solution for overthinking, inconsistency, and ineffective content creation. And ito ako eh. Yan ang mga problema ko. So nung nakita ko yung sabi ko sige, silipin ko na nga itong OP6. Kasi last time umattend ako ng parang sige, kaya ko naman siguro mag-isa to. But this year, nung nakita ko siya ulit, talagang dinetail ko na yung ano bang meron talaga sa OP6? Anong meron? Ano bang ino-offer niya? And yun kagad yung bumungad. Yan tatlong yan, solution. Yung tatlong yan, yan ang pinaka-problema ko that moment. Okay? So, syempre, lahat naman tayo dito is siguro nagko-content. Then, the story, the 100 days of showing up. Okay? So, itong papakita ko is pinaka-summary that then later I will share ano ba yung mga nangyari sa akin within that 100. Ano ba yung na-form ko? Okay? So, from OP6, okay, I join. Day 0. Good thing, sinabi sa akin ni Louie, Chard, mag-cross-post ka. Hindi pwede IG ka. Kasi feeling ko IG, baka nandito kasi yung crowd ko eh. Pero yun nga, wala namang pumapansin. Pero I keep on posting kasi doon sa IG. Sabi niya, mag-cross-post ka pa rin. Kahit walang basta cross-post. I did. I think for 3 weeks, biglang may nangyari. From 70 something followers, naging 1,000 something. And it's organic. So nagulat ako. Yung time na yan, yung makaabot ako ng 1,000, I'm so happy na. Parang ano na ako eh, parang okay na ako eh. May 1,000, naka 4 digit na ako. Okay na ako. Pero, as I go along dun sa challenge or dun sa ang dami ko natututunan. And hindi lahat yun na-apply ko na kagad, okay? But the thing is, nandun yung essence kung ano yung gagawin ko after ng lahat. Babalikan ko siguro siya na para ma-improve pa yung lalong ginagawa ko. Kasi by day 30, nangyari na to and hindi siya huminto. Okay? I'm not sure if you can see yung matrix dyan. Pagdating ko ng graduation, okay, day 112, kasi ito yung gumagawa ko ng presentation. Sabi ko, sige, mas-screenshot nga kung anong situation na. I got into this 14,300 followers and all of these are organic. So, sinong hindi magugulat sa nangyari? And it's TikTok ha. Because kung hindi ako nag-cross-post sa TikTok, hindi ko alam kung ma-achieve ko to kasi nandito pala yung crowd ko. Kung ano man yung gusto kong masabi o anong gusto man gawin, nandito sila. So yeah, you can see the matrix here. I got 1.7 M views in total for that 100 days. And yeah, then yeah, you can see 13,000 followers all throughout the challenge. All good ba? Clap naman dyan. So, nakikinig.
Let's go.
Yan. Thank you.
Solid.
Yeah. Salamat sa inyong sa OP community. Very, very helpful talaga. Okay. Pasok tayo ngayon sa ating Ano ba yung story pa doon? Ano yung sumunod? Ano yung mga realization? Okay? So, dito papasok si intuition that I will link to a creator's compass. So, ano ba yung intuition kasi? So, intuition, hindi naman to yung magical power ng somebody. Lahat tayo meron, actually. Lahat tayo makaka-access ng intuition natin. It's up to you lang kung i-challenge mo or you will allow yourself to listen. Yun yung ano ng intuition eh. Sabi nga ng mentor namin, when you try to run your intuition, you don't doubt. You don't ask for the logical answer why. Kasi yan yung unang pumasok sa'yo when you ask something. There's an intention and merong pinakita sa'yo, may pinarinig sa'yo. Ang hirap explain when you are not really, parang meron kang ego na, hindi, parang ano lang yan, guni-guni. Hindi guni-guni ang intuition. It's our parang speaker that you'll try to turn on when you need to hear something. Now comes Creator's Compass. So I want to align that intuition thing to concentration. So, compass, ano bang inaano ng compass? Direction, di ba? North, east, west, south. I tried to define it as a simple formula na pwede nating sabihin as a quick guide for creating a flow to wealth without losing yourself. Okay? So, ano yung first? Clarity. Yan. Clarity. When people hear the word flow, they often think of busy, productive in constant motion. Di ba? Parang ganun. Pero yung flow, it should begin with clarity muna. Hindi naman po pwedeng, nakita mo yung flow dyan. Tulad din ng sabi ni Neri, there's a flow, there's yung mga river, ganyan. Pero, kailangan makita mo, ano ba yung umahagos dun? Okay? So, clarity is something that we can call it as an anchor, ankla. It's that quiet moment when you stop asking, what should I create? Okay? And start asking what feels true for me right now. And during my 100 days of posting, I learned that clarity isn't about strategy. It's about sincerity. Kasi yun yung in-apply ko, or yun yung ina-apply ko. When I joined OP, medyo may clear naman ako ano talaga gusto ko eh. Hindi ko lang siguro siya ma-execute ng tama. Okay? So, I'm doing soul chat. I name my reels na soul chat because gusto kong mas deep na reflection. Deep parang meron akong quote. Normally, kumukuha ako ng quote, then ini-expound ko siya. Parang gano'n. Nire-relate ko siya sa mga video clips na ginagawa namin ng mga kids ko. Ginagawan ko siya ng kwento. So, yun yung pinaka-essence nung ginagawa ko. And during that time, you can see Soul Chat 1.0. Kasi ito ako, before I join OP. Okay? May clarity, pero walang pumapansin. 600 views, pinakamataas ko, which is ito. Ito yung bago ako sumali ng OP. I'm not sure if I play this, it will burst your,
myself as someone who dances
May sound?
awkward,
Yeah, meron naman. Sakto lang.
self-conscious.
Malakas?
I'd rather na lumayo na
Sakto lang.
magpanggap na busy. Pero that day, they pulled me in at hindi ako nagpapigil. Not to impress, not to prove, but to join. To not kill the joy of the moment and to honor the energy of being present. And guess what? My awkward, simple back and forth step, it made people around cheer. Not because I was good or mukha akong tanga, but because I allowed myself to be part of something joyful, and that was a quiet win for my soul. Minsan, healing looks like dancing for someone na sobrang hiya. Dahil sa judgmental na paligid, awkward and all. So, let that joy of the moment pull you in ng dahan-dahan.
You can see kung naano yung message ko doon, parang masyado ko siyang hinugutan, pero gusto ko makarating siya sa marami, pero papaano? Hindi siya dumadating dun sa right people siguro, or nakokornihan, or whatever, baka hindi nga nila kailangan. Wala eh, pero buong puso ko yan ginawa. Buong puso ko yan na ginawa ng script in terms of how should I say it properly, iksian within less than 1 minute. Pero yan ang result. But I have the clarity already of what I still want, what I want to show, what I want to say. Okay? Then, sabi ko, sige, tuloy lang. Ito, within OP na to, yung chino ko na 6:30 na yan. So, then comes the next one, which is flow. Ito na yung flow. From clarity to flow. Ito na. Tinuloy-tuloy ko siya kasi may na-discover ako na if I kept myself doing something na hindi ako naiintindihan, baka nga talaga wala makikinig. Then I open myself to share already my talking head. Hindi kasi ako nagto-talking head. Yun lang ang bukod tanging part ng content creation na hindi ko ginagawa pa. To talk. Lagi akong voice over. Then I tried to, do the talking head. Try to really, look you sa aking camera, my eyes, trying to, baka ikaw nakatingin ka rin sa akin. So yun ang pinaka talagang ginawa ko. Meron awkward siya kasi nakakaduling siya. Nakakaduling siyang gawin. But nung nakita ko yung result, sabi ko, aba, people are, yun yung 30 days. Diyan na pumasok yung 30 days na people are engaging. Kasi parang kinakausap ko kasi sila eh. Though it's collective reflection, card reading reflection, hindi ko alam kung sinong tatamaan. Wala akong alam kung ito ba ay maglilink sa'yo. Sabi ko nga, if it relates to you, kung tama ka, baka kailangan mo marinig yung sasabihin ko. Then kung hindi, baka scroll up eh. And pag nakita ko yung matrix, lagi siyang nag-a-average dun sa part na hanggang sa i-reveal ko yung card. So many people are watching until makita nila. And my average dun sa nagtatapos, siguro 15% to 20% ang nagtatapos ng reels ko. So sabi ko sa sarili ko, so itong 20% na to, ito yung mga nakatama. Imagine 80%. Siguro pinakamataas ko dun is 400k views. So yung 20% lang na yun ng tama para nakinig. So imagine yung ganun, nakaka-amaze lang siya. Kaya, so if I can show you ano na ba nangyari doon, paano ba itong, no? See? And I keep on doing that. And ito yung isa sa, sabihin na nating, mas maraming nakarelate.
Baka nga wala kang choice. Kaya pilit mong kinukuha lahat. Kaya siguro napili mo to para maging paalala. Paalala na huwag mo naman apuin lahat. Dahil sa huli, hindi mo na makita kung anong ending ang meron ka. Tara, usap tayo.
And I was surprised, ang daming nakarelate dyan. And some tell na napaiyak ko sila or it really touched them. So, anong realization ko? So, flow happens when clarity moves into action. When your mind, your heart, and your energy all move in the same direction effortlessly. That's when you stop forcing creativity and start channeling it. Okay? Sometimes the best messages aren't written, they are remembered. Kaya alam ko ang daming pwedeng gawin, but dahil sa nakita kong engagement ng mga hindi ko kilala, I keep on doing the card reading reflection of letting them choose something, then wait for something that I can channel collectively. So baka kasi at that moment, yun yung kailangan nilang marinig. And kung yun nga, I'm very thankful kung meron man silang nagawa or magagawa after that, after hearing that. Okay. Okay naman? Okay pa naman kayo dyan? All good, all good?
Yes.
Okay,
Absorbing, absorbing.
Absorbing, ha? Okay. Okay, next. Into that flow is resonance. Ito na yung sinasabi ko kanina na ito yung mga reactions nila. Though hindi ko na kasi screenshot. Though I'm just putting some samples here ng mga reaction nila. Naguluhan yung katawan ko. Okay, Sai. Okay, so anong result nung isa sa ano na yan, which is yung pinakita ko kanina? Ang result nun is 15,000 likes, 2,000 comments, and 1,200 favorite. Maybe to let them remember na wag nilang suluhin lahat. Yung dala-dala nila. So, yun lang. Resonance is something na it's your energy starts to meet other energy. People don't see your content. They feel it. It's that moment na siguro yung someone messages you na, uy, I felt like you were talking to me. Parang ganun. Parang kausap mo ako. Kuya, parang tamang-tama sa akin to ah. So yung makakabasa ko ng ganun from strangers na sa sobrang tagal kong inintay para mapansin ng kung sino na hindi lang yung friends mo na, oh, pre, okay ang gawa mo ah. Kumbaga, alam mo yun, for the love of friendship, alam ko yun. For the love of friendship lang. Parang yung encouragement nandiyan pa rin. But you're still looking for strangers eh. Para walang bias na totoo ba talaga yung kumbaga may effect ba talaga itong ginagawa ko. Okay. So, from the resonance, never yata akong tumama sa hula. So, iba dapat daw marinig mo, Sai. Okay, next. Comes opportunity. Yan, opportunity na tayo. Yan. So, with that, nagkaroon ako ng mga inquiry. Kuya, nag-read ka ba? How much? And that time, wala akong rate card. Wala. Though alam ko, energy exchange is something that you have to apply, lalo sa ginagawa ko. Dati kasi ginagawa ko siya parang ipasa mo na lang sa iba. Kasi hindi ko alam presyuhan eh. Though may mga kumbaga market naman diyan, may market rate. The point is nung ginawa ko yung I've been reading for past 3-4 years na. And all those time I'm not asking for monetary exchange. I'm asking for, follow nyo naman yung IG ko. Yun lang. But it takes toll pala sa akin. I'm not sure if it links, but it's not good health-wise. And I stopped reading for a few months, siguro mga 6-8 months. Ayokong humawak ng cards. Hindi ko hinahawakan. Though, alam kong iniintay niya ako. And you see, pag meron kang gigil, you will keep on going back to the same thing na you're passionate eh. Something na parang, talagang kailangan ko to gawin eh. Then, yun nga, may mga nag-inquire na sunod-sunod na, sabi ko, I think I need to put some value na. So, I'm not sure if they will okay sa kanila. Pag okay. Kung hindi, maybe it's not, we're not meant, to be as a reader and as a client. So yun yung pumasok opportunity. Then, of course, the talks, the invites. And I'm very thankful na binigyan niyo ako ng opportunity to share my experience sa OP. Not sure how you see my contents, but um, sabi ko nga yes, I do tarot reading for guidance and clarity. But lagi kong sinasabi, hindi ako manghuhula or I don't want to do fortune telling. Hindi ako sumasagot ng yes or no. Kasi I don't want people to do shortcuts just to get the answer. I want people, after hearing the message that we got, is to take action or take something out of that para makarealize siya, mag-reflect. So yun yung laging approach ko, and I always explain that sa parang disclaimer ko every time I have a new client. Okay. Then, the last of that compass is the wealth. The wealth is, let's say, good to have. Yun yung bonus. I don't discredit na we don't get money or wealth is wealth in terms of how we see it kasi. Okay? It's not just financial wealth, but yung inner abundance kasi, yun yung isa sa essence ng wealth eh. Yung freedom, yung peace of mind. Okay? And the kind that comes when your work feels sacred and not forced, hindi ba pinipilit na lang sa'yo? Okay? And anong resulta nun? Okay? Ang resulta nun is sufficiently fulfilled. Okay? After the OP6, this is the last post I did, which is October 20. I have not posted anything yet. Bakit? Experiment. Ako ba yung niloloko lang ni TikTok? Na pag huminto na ako is wala na rin. And I was very surprised. For the past 3 weeks, I'm not posting. Yes, mababa ang matrix ko, but I still get an average views. And for the week, yeah, I still have that 90K views. Na hindi ko naman, dati okay na tayo sa 500 eh. But averaging a week of 90K views, and people still are following me and messaging me, inquiring how much yung reading, ganito, ganyan. I'm just amazed na yun. So, because real wealth isn't about having more. Okay? It's about leaking less. Okay? So, imagine, di na ako gumagawa and tuloy lang siya. So, less energy spent on what's not true. Okay? Less pretending. Less performing. So, it's an experiment for me. Of course, magpo-post na ako, Louie. Huwag kang magalala. Magpo-post na ako. Nakapila naman yan eh. Pero the point is,
Same
sabi
lang.
ko nga,
Same lang tayo.
meron lang tayong mga ginagawa ngayon. So, yeah, I have to prioritize something din. Pero the point is, continue siya. And I'm very, very grateful joining OP6. Okay, so when you protect your flow, life takes care of the rest. Okay? So, remember the formula that I tried to share. Clarity leads to giving you a direction. Flow gives you the rhythm. Yung aariba ka dyan. Diba? Keeps on doing something. The same thing. Resonant is something na gives connection. You engage. Then comes opportunity. Yung movement. Ibig sabihin, may inalok. Will you grab it? Okay? When Yel asked me to do this talk, I hesitated sa sarili ko na mga 5 minutes. Sabi ko, hala, bakit ako? Paisip ako, sabi ko, pero actually, dinidream ko mapasok ako dito sa PC Night eh. Yeah, and I'm very, very, nag-manifest siya. Kasi, iniisip ko pa paano nyo ako mapapansin to talk here. Kasi gusto ko mag-talk, gusto ko mag-share. Pero, paano nyo ako isasama dun yung sa ano nyo, sa parang baol ng mga nagtotalk. Hindi ko alam pa paano. And I'm very grateful na parang, hanapan nila ako ng ng topic without really showing the tarot, but yung sharing ko is relates to what I'm doing still. And comes wealth. Meron akong peace of mind at the moment. Kasi umaandar yung content ko knowing na people are appreciating my work. So when we protect our flow, life takes care of the rest. Okay? So yan yung formula. So, eto, siguro kilala nyo naman siya. Isa siya sabihin na nating parang influence ko sa mga ginagawa ko. Sabi niya, I wish everyone could get rich and famous so they realize it's not the answer. By Jim Carrey. Siyempre gusto natin ma-experience yung ma-achieve, kung ano man yung na-achieve niya. Okay? Fame, financial freedom, and all. But while we are trying to achieve such experience, let's try to hold this quote and remind ourselves na overflowing material aspect of life are just what you receive sa lahat ng effort na binibigay mo. And that's bonus eh. Hindi siya yung main goal para makuha mo yung award na talagang hinahanap mo, which is happiness and peace. So, abundance without self-betrayal. So it's a very quick slide showing that visibility pala will not be equal to the value. Okay? Because if your content doesn't feed your soul, no amount of likes will fill you later. Kasi now, yes, I'm getting the views, but yes, totoo. Ang kinakasaya ko ngayon is yung na-appreciate ako eh. Na-appreciate yung gawa ko, hindi na dun sa views right now. And dati yung hinahanap ko, imagine, kaya ako na-pull out si Jim Carrey quote kasi sabi ko, ito ko eh. Ito ko ngayon after graduation ng OP6. And I have to, give credit dun sa pagbibigay niya ng quote na yan na biglang napasok sa akin. Parang alam ko merong sinabi si Jim about sa wealth. And binalikan ko kung ano nga ba yung para lang ensure ako na tama yung statement. So binalikan ko, meron nga. So yun nga yun. Okay? So, before I end my sharing is gusto ko maiwanan kayo ng question, okay? So, ito na siya. So, sa mga nakwento ko sa inyo for this PC night, I would like to leave a question na that will at least make you reflect or answer once you start creating or even planning to reformat your approach sa pagko-content. And that is, what would my life look like if I only created what feels true? Okay? And with that, thank you.
Love
Salamat.
Hey! Guys, ano tayo for Chard? Oh,
Thank you,
God.
Chard.
Amazing, man.
Woo!
Thank you.
Parang kinausap po yung kaluluwa ko talaga, Chard. Oh my gosh. Like, habang nagsasalita ka, question, lagi ka ba like webinar, nagto-talk, ng ganyan, sa community mo, or?
Kasi magpa-podcast ako, pero
Yes.
monologue.
Ooh,
So,
makes
ngayon,
sense.
and in my work din kasi, so I'm used to do parang nag-train or doing presentation. Pero sabi ko nga kanina kay IC, sabi ko, wala naman ako sa aircon, pero parang yelo yung kamay ko while she is doing her presentation. Sabi ko, hindi ko kasi alam kung na-expectin ninyong lahat sa gagawin ko. And kung ano man yung meron. And siguro sa lahat sa inyo dito, first time nyo lang din ako kahit magkakasama tayo sa OP6. Ngayon nyo lang talaga ako narinig
True.
nag-talk ng ganitong matagal. Yeah.
Right.
Sobrang galing. I would like to honor you lang talaga, Chard. Sobrang, yun talaga yung effect mo. Sabi ko, may chard vibe. Na parang, kaya kailangan mo din talaga yung podcast, yung mag-long form ka. Kasi nakakabitin yung short vibe sa short form. Tapos nagpa-reading na rin kasi ako kay Chard. Tapos grabe din talaga yung effect. Parang ang dami ko na, may sinasabi ka, pero parang maraming downloads. Sobrang daming downloads. Kaya magsabi ka nga lang ng isang statement, powerful siya, resonating siya agad. Thank you so much, Chard. Sobrang appreciate ko yung generosity mo dito. And
Sure.
parang more than talaga, yung yung puso mo na kasi nandun eh. So sobrang na-appreciate ko like sa pag-accept sa PC Night. And hopefully sa mga next parts ng journey mo, makapag-share ka pa sa PC, saan ka pupunta next, and ano mga dadala mo sa own journey mo. We appreciate you. Sobrang amazing mo. Sabi ko, you should do more talaga na long form, more of talks like these kasi na may tao talaga yung mag-community. Gusto ko yung futuristic ko na kay Chard kasi
Na-activate.
parang pang-retreat ka, Chard, yung parang kailangan ako mismo parang layo na nang inabot ng download. So thank you, Chard. Sobrang nakausap mo talaga yung soul ko. Sabi ko simula pa lang sobrang needed ko yan right now. So thank you. Appreciate you, Chard.
Thank you so much.
Ayan. Sino ba gusto mag-ask ng questions or mag-honor and Chard?
Ako naman.
Ayan, do I see?
Ako naman. Thank you so much, Chard, sa pagtanggap ng aming invitation na from passionate perspectives, di ba, pinisi night naman namin ikaw. And salamat sa availability mo, sa generosity mo. Sobrang ganda how you share your story. And ako personally, ang natutuwa ko doon is that yung na-witness kasi kita from OP orientation. Natatandaan ko na OP orientation for OP6 nandun ka na, and parang yun nga yung sinasabi mo una pa lang na parang I've been through many content creation mga ganyan, pero parang yung dating mo nga sa akin nung una, parang you're hesitating kasi nga ang dami mo ng tinry, pero parang at the end inano mo parang you bet on it, and sobrang nakaka-happy ng puso na through the program ng Passion and Creation. Very deal maker to.
Deal maker si ate mo, girl.
Program ng Passion and Creators, di ba? Parang dun mo na experience yung breakthrough, and sobrang happy kami to be a witness as a supporter. Kinunik ko yan. As a supporter.
Gamit, dynamics.
Sobrang nakaka-happy na yon na ma-witness ka at makita yung growth mo and yung success mo with what you're doing. And nakikita talaga na yung ginagawa mo kasi is something that you really love. Salamat sa pagyugyog sa akin. Ikaw ang isa. So, nagpa-read na rin ako kasi kay Chart, and isa sa
Yugyug
yumugyug
galore.
sa akin. Yeah, so parang 2025 is such a yugyug moment for me, and salamat kasi ginamit kang instrumento para mayugyug ako. So yun lang, continue with what you're doing. Yung intention mo and yung heart mo with what you're doing is so pure, kaya pagpapalain ka pa ng more. Thank you, Chard.
Chard. And unmute lang
Love
yung...
that.
To answer lang si Ri, yes, generator.
Oh, generator. Nice.
I love that. Mag-share lang ako. Usually defeats the purpose talaga kung paano ko. Kasi hindi naman ako deal maker. Pero sabihin ko lang, as much as naging instrument yung Project OP, a lot of it is your intention, your heart, na how you showed up. You wanted it so much and you stick to your craft. Yun yung malaking factor na differentiator din ng pagpasok mo. Kasi yung pumasok ka, yung gigil mo, yung nagliyab na talaga siya. Tapos parang kailangan lang niya ng paano yung direction or yung at least strategy para mo malalatag, kumbaga. Kaya sobrang nag-flow. Papansin ko nga parang, okay, tweak na konti natin yan, tweak. So may gawin agad, nakita mo agad, naka-zoom out, nakita mo, tapos nakahanap ka ng own way mo. Parang, intention yun eh. Hindi yun magic eh. Hindi siya magic. Na parang, yung pag-follow mo, yung pag-isip mo ng mga ganung bagay, hindi yun doon na parang, sige, mag-100 days ako, okay na. Siya eh, kailangan talaga pagpasok intention. Ikaw yung isa-sample ko na dyan sa slides ko palagi. Thank you so much, Chard.
Maraming salamat.
Go, Mamita.
Let's go, Mamita.
Saglit, kailangan ko mang pumesto.
Buwelo si Mamita.
Hindi, kasi syempre kilala ka ba as your classmate and client, follower. Kasi syempre classmate tayo lahat sa batch 6 pati sila. Sabi ko nga rin, paano kaya nila tong pagtagpuin ng dalawa? Kasi yung isa science, yung isa parang intuition. And then, ang galing kasi talagang nag-align talaga yung talks ninyo. Yung parang si Ray yung eye-opener, ito yung kailangan. Tapos ikaw naman yung tinake action mo kung ano yung natutunan mo. And hindi ko naman talaga kita napansin sa orientation, pero napansin talaga kita doon nung nag-start na yung OP sa Instagram ka pa actually. At sabi ko talaga, isa ka sa mag-grow. Kasi hindi ko alam sa boses mo ba or sa charisma mo. Pero there's something in your video na sabi ko, isa ka sa tatandaan ko na mag-grow. Talaga nakita ko yun. At hindi ko inakala na hindi lang pala tanda ang kailangan kong gawin. Naging follower mo ako at naging client mo ko kasi every time na naggugulo ako, palagi lumalabas sa TikTok yung usap tayo. Siguro baka isa ako dun sa malaking percent na nagsistay kasi almost of your cards is tama ako. Na parang sinasabing usap tayo. And ang ganda lang kasi dahil nga um, yung parang hindi yung intuition mo, parang sinabi, parang through your journey, parang pinapa-confirm mo. Kasi man-realize ko na rin naman to, pero pinapa-confirm mo na kailangan ko i-take action. Yun, with intention talaga. Kung ano yung bagong law para mag-grow ka. And super happy ako sa kung anong ngayon ka. And I'm one of your happy client din. Kasi si Chart kasi after service siya. Yung parang 'di ba may kasi na bato-bato tapos nakita mo, Mamita. Hindi ko naman yun hindi ko naman yun sa'yo, parang okay na ako. Tapos nakita mo lang sa one of my content and then may effort ka na message mo, kung Mamita, bawal ipagsama yun. So, di ba, parang alam mo yung inaalayan mo talaga. Now na nakita ko the way you talk, paano to? Kailan ako magsa-subscribe? Baka kasi hindi na usap tayo, pakinggan mo na ako, pakinggan mo ako. Una naman ang kailangan ka. Yun, congratulations and looking forward sa kung ano pa yung gift or na share mo sa amin. Thank you. Yan lang.
Salamat, Mamita.
Thank you. Thank you din kay Ray. Thank you.
Solid. Ayan. Anyone else gusto mag-honor or mag-ask ng questions before we end? Nakamute ba ako? Ayan. Unmute nyo na yan. Ayan.
Honor pa lang si Chard. Ayan. Thank you,
Yes.
Chard, for accepting our invite.
Yes.
Ano ko, parang binigla
Yes.
kita nun. Pero sabi ko naman sa kanya, meron pa kaming personal invite, informal nung invite.
So parang hindi pa sigurado no? Parang
Sabi ko,
tinatapik pa
informal
ako,
nung
pwede
invite
pwede
ko
ka
for
kaya?
you. Di ba pagalitan ako, charot na. Hindi, pero
Oh, that formal na. Char.
sabi ko, tinanong ko lang naman, pwede siya.
Mm.
Ayun, so thank you for sharing your story and sobrang alam mo, iba kasi yung di ba nagpa-read din ako kay Chard, iba din yung experience ko
Yeah.
on alam ni Chard yun, experience sa amin. So yun, na parang I know na you will touch more people in your content and just continue what you're doing. And alam ko naman na you're doing it based on what you really feel inside you. So yeah, thank you for accepting our invite and sharing sa PC community.
Sure.
Ayun lang.
Maraming
May
salamat
question
po.
na ta si Ree.
Story.
Yes.
The question, mag-honor lang. But your voice is so dope.
Right?
Thank you.
Yeah, dude. I really want to know what your wealth dynamics is. You have a star. I don't think you have a star. But like, it would be so nice because your magnetism would be from your voice. Anyway, that was what I wanted to say. I just wanted to say how I'm really grateful I followed my own intuition because I was kind of overthinking my slides because I wanted it to flow very smoothly to yours. And I'm glad I just followed with it because it was exactly what I kind of had a feeling you were gonna explain, which was the action side of things. So ang cool lang. And also, because of your like from the beginning of your talk kanina, you made me get my deck also. So I've been playing.
Yeah.
Yay!
I haven't been playing with my deck for the longest time. So it's wala lang. It's just nice you bridged me to my deck today.
Yeah.
Really really enjoyed, and thank you for showcasing embodied intuition. No bypassy shit. So nice and refreshing. So thank you.
Salamat eh.
Kaya nga nagtataka ako bakit parang nag-worry kayong magka-clash. Kasi for me, sobrang, I mean, no, very parang sa inner work, intuition, spirituality, manifestation. I mean, like, sobrang aligned. And ang ganda lang how nag-flow yun. So, super perfect. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Maraming salamat.
Ayan.
Alright, maraming salamat kay Chard at kay Ree. Actually,
Thank you, Jordan Ree. Andito na tayo muna isang beses pag-send tayo ng energy sa kanila.
Thank you, Ree and Char. Thank you so much.
Thank
And
you.
maraming salamat.
Thank you.
Ako personally, ang pinaka-highlight ko tonight is something that Chard and I actually talked about during our Passionate Perspectives episode. Kasi I was telling him, full disclosure, I don't really watch his content because I'm not, hindi ako necessarily subscribing to tarot specifically. Pero hindi naman ako averse to it. It's just something na it's a rabbit hole I didn't want to jump into because I had the notion na na-address ni Ree kanina. Na nabanggit ko rin naman kay Ree in the past na I have this resistance to feeling to labels and being boxed in shit and like how people say things. And yun, ang ganda nung nabanggit ni Ree kanina about delegation of power. Now when people use astrology or spirituality or whatnot as an excuse for their behavior as if it's something that's out of your control. But in reality, it's actually something that you don't really have to subscribe to if you don't want to. It's just something that, sabi nga ni Ree, you can play with. It's yung ganda ng analogy of path of least resistance. But it doesn't need to define you. And ang ganda nung talk nyo pareho. I love how they blended na parang na kay Ree yung technical, na kay Chard yung philosophical, na at least for tonight kasi I know you guys can do both naman, pero ang ganda lang ng blend tonight, and I'm really happy to hear you guys. Ang tagal ko hindi nakapag-tapping. Thank you. I needed this session, so personally. Yeah, so maraming salamat to both of you guys. I'm looking forward personally pa sa mga susunod na na talks from both of you. But Chard, saan ka mahanap ng mga tao? And if
Yeah,
do you have anything to plug?
Yeah, for now, yung TikTok Chard_Ambagan Sessions. So, doon naman ako na wala pang funnel. Hindi ko pa na-apply yung funnel ng OP. But soon, kasi inuna ko yung, alam ni Louie, may ginagawa ko outside from myself. After siguro nun, try ko na yung sa akin para may landing page, para at least may mapuntahan talaga. But for now, yeah, it's still the TikTok and IG. Thank you.
I love that.
Podcast, di ba? May podcast ka. Tapos mag-post ka na sa YouTube ng mga parang ginawa mo lang kanina. Yung gano'n, yung parang kinakausap mo yung kaluluwa nila. Maraming gano'ng long form chart. Yun ang next.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, another thing pala na tumatak sa akin kay Chard, kasi nabanggit kayo na tumatak sa akin kay Chard, ang tumatak sa akin is yung what feels true to you at the moment. Like, kasi yun yung ano rin eh, isa yun sa mga resistance ko, yung feeling ko na I feel like I'm pretending or I'm acting or being too like I just wanna, show up as how I perceive myself. Kumbaga, it's what's true to me at the moment, kumbaga. And so, ang ganda. Alright, so maraming salamat guys. Thank you so much for being here tonight. Maraming salamat.